Welcome. I'm Sarah Zeldenrust, a registered psychologist, and in this short meditation, we are going to reconnect with gratitude. Wherever you are and however you're feeling, begin by finding a comfortable position. Let your eyes close gently if that feels right. Take a slow, deep breath in and gently breathe out, allowing your body to settle in this moment. Feel the ground beneath you, holding you. Notice your breath move in and out. There's nowhere to be but here. Let yourself arrive fully into this moment. Now gently bring to mind something big or small that you feel gratitude for. It might be a person, a place, a moment, or even the breath you're taking now. Just notice what arises without judgment. Hold that image, that feeling in your awareness in this moment. Let the sense of gratitude expand in your body. You might feel it as warmth in your chest, or a softening in the face or shoulders, or a gentle smile may come over your face. Now call to mind one more thing you're grateful for. Something simple, a warm drink, a smile, a quiet moment, nature, or your own resilience. Feel that sense of thankfulness spreading gently through your body like sunlight or soft waves washing over you. Take a few breaths to rest in this feeling. No need to grasp or force anything. Just breathe and be with whatever gratitude is present. Let it surround you like a warm blanket, absorbing the warmth and feeling of this gratitude that you are resting in right now. Let this moment be enough. Inhale, appreciation, and exhale, ease. As we come to close, take one last deep breath in and let it go. Carry this sense of gratitude with you into the rest of your day. When you're ready, gently open up your eyes. Thanks for practicing. I hope you have a wonderful day.